Hello, Tech Insiders, and welcome once again to Najah at Tech Insights. As I promised you last time, we're diving into the world of quizzes. And if you remember in our past video, we talked about how to create assessments using YouTube videos. Today, we're going to talk more about how to create an assessment using a prompt. So, once again, you just go to quizizz.com and make sure that you are logged into your Google account. We're going to go to create assessment and like last time, generate with AI. So last time we talked about the YouTube, how to take a video from YouTube and cut it with questions or notes and then display it in classroom. Today we're going to see if I'm going to give a text or a prompt to quizzes, what is it going to work. So I'm going to use this prompt. Okay, I tried to make it a square plus b square equals c squared. Okay, and I gave it the prompt of creating a multiple choice quiz for grade 8 students on Pythagorean theory. I go down. Okay, the language is English. The number of questions, let's say 10. It's math, 8th grade. You make sure that all these details are correct, and then you click on continue. Once you click on continue, it's going to ask you to select 10 subtopics. Okay, so understanding Pythagorean theory, identifying right angles, side lengths, apply it in problems in real life, solving for missing angles. So you can choose the topics you want. If the topics you want are not found here, you can add the topics here, and then you go to generate quiz. It's going to take less than a minute. Within this time, it's just working out. Yes, that's it. Now you can see the multiple choice questions. It's very important that you go over the questions and you review them. Okay, I'm sorry. So you go over the questions. It says search questions here. You can just click on every question and you can edit if the question is not what you want. So you can just edit. Okay, and if you don't want to edit, if you edit it, you have to click on save. If you don't want to edit the time needed, for example, I needed 45 seconds, I needed yes 1 point or 2 points, it has no halves here. You can change the type to fill in the blanks. I need it as a multiple choice, it's better for me for now. Okay, I didn't click on save here actually. So after you are pretty sure of all the questions, you can go to preview to see it. So this is question 1. What is the Pythagorean theory formula? Okay, you just answer, then you click next. Which of the following triangles is a right triangle? You can read the check, then you can click next. So by that, you are just making sure that all the questions found here are correct. All the answers are correct. There are no mistakes. Once done, you can, like we said in the previous video, you can publish. Your quiz is saved and ready to play with the students. Now you can see it. In the same way as the previous video, this is it. I can download it as a worksheet. So if I click on download, I'm going to show you what's going to happen. If I click on download, I'll have it. Okay, here, I'll have it as a downloadable PDF document. This is it. Okay, I'll click on save and I'll put it on my downloads. This is save and that's it. I have it already saved. Okay, so this is already saved. If I want to share it with the students, I can share it from here. Okay, I can copy the link. Okay, I can copy the link, paste it, and send it to my students. Let's go back. to the worksheet here. So if I don't want to share it as a worksheet, I can share it as a link. I copy the link, I share it with my students. Okay, if you click on preview like last time, you're going to see that it starts live. I'll preview as students. And now I can challenge my students in classroom. What's the Pythagorean theory? And they can choose the correct answer. Okay, usually C is the hypotenuse, so I'm going to choose this. It's going to say yes, correct. And then we go to we move to the next question. Which of the following triangles is a right triangle? The triangle that has no right angle, with all sides equal, it satisfies the Pythagorean theory, or with one angle greater than 90. Let's say that. Okay, it's going to be correct. Now let's try a wrong answer. If one leg of a right triangle is 3 and the other leg is 4, what's the length of the hypotenuse? Of course, it's going to be 3 square plus 4 square. So it's 9 and 16, which is 25. So the square root of 25 is 5. Let's say I chose 6. It's going to say incorrect, and it's going to give me the correct answer. You're going to see when you finish that it gives students chance to redo the question they had mistaken. Okay, so we can get back to it at the end. Now, this is all I wanted you to see about how to create a quizzes using a prompt. I'll go back to the homepage of Quizizz, also to create again, and also the assessment, generate with AI. And I'm going just to show you how to upload a document, which you already have on your desktop, and it's going to give it to you as interactive assessment. So you go to upload from device. It says how many questions. I'll say automatic because I want the questions, the number of the questions that's found on the paper. Math. This is, let's say, sixth grade. So I'm going to say it's sixth grade and generate quiz. So in a similar manner, we work on quizzes from a document or from a prompt in a similar manner. And here now it started asking the questions and you are going to choose the correct answer. You see, it took the correct answer as well. So once again, if you preview, you're going to see every question. So I'm a quadrilateral with opposite sides equal and parallel and no line of symmetry. Who am I? And then this is the next, that is the third, the fourth. You can edit. Once you make sure that everything is clear, you can publish, you can share it as a link, or you can download it as a worksheet and share it to your students. So this is all about how to create quizzes. Let me go back. Okay, save as a draft. I'll keep it as a draft to get back to it later. I'm going to go back to the homepage of Quizizz. So this is all on how to create an assessment from a YouTube video, from a website, which we really rarely use, from a document we have, or if you are going to give a prompt. Um, if you want to know more about quizzes, just go to my YouTube channel, Najah at Tech Insights. Choose the playlist you want. This is the playlist which is talking about quizzes. Check the videos that are uploaded here. And we're going to get back to quizzes again to talk more about how to create interactive lessons, passages, flashcards, and even more. Subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you on my next video. See you.